How can you easily share your Google My Business review link? Follow these simple steps for quick and efficient sharing. Step 1. Enter your business name in the Google search bar. Step 2. If you are the proud owner of the business, you will see several options to manage Google My Business profile. Step 3. Click Ask for Review option. Step 4. Copy this link and share it with anyone you desire. Voila! Your valued customers can now leave ratings upon your business and leave heartfelt reviews directly. Are you longing for an irresistible Google review card? Simply click the link provided in the description, or venture to www.vcarde.com and let the allure of an exquisite card from Amazon fill your senses.